Monday's the engine, strong and bright. Chug, 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 it starts the flight. Monday, Monday, here we go, riding the train nice and slow. Tuesday's the caboose, rolling along. Chug, 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 singing a song. Tuesday, Tuesday, full of cheer. On the train, the day is near. Wednesday whistles loud and clear. Chug, 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 the middle is here. Wednesday, Wednesday, halfway done, riding the train, having fun. Thursday's wheels go round and round. Chug, 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 along the ground. Thursday, Thursday, almost there, on the train, through the air. Friday's bells ring, ding, ding, ding. Chug, 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 hear them sing. Friday, Friday, shout hooray, the week's end is on its way. Saturday's break, slow down the ride. Chug, 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 take it in stride. Saturday, Saturday, rest and play on the train, a happy day. Sunday's the stop, the final call. Chug, 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 the best day of all. Sunday, Sunday, time to rest. On the train we feel so blessed. Days of the week, all aboard. On the train we're never bored.